In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Google storage in Google Workspace. This is a quick but important task for anyone managing a workspace organization because it helps you stay ahead of limits, plan cleanups, and avoid service interruptions. Storage in Google Workspace is pooled across your organization, and it includes files in Drive and shared drives, messages and attachments in Gmail, and media in Google Photos. Knowing exactly what you have left keeps your teams running smoothly. First, head to your Google Admin Console and sign in with an account that has the right admin privileges. If you don't have access, reach out to whoever manages your organization's workspace. Once you're in, you'll be on the Admin Console home screen. The layout can vary slightly based on your role, and Google's interface updates, but the navigation remains similar. Next, look for Storage. You may see it listed directly on the left sidebar or under Account. If your menu is condensed, expand it to reveal more options. You can also use the search bar at the top of the admin console and type storage to jump straight to the page. The key is simply to open the storage area from within the admin console. No extra tools needed. Once you are on the storage page, you'll immediately see how much storage you have left. This view typically shows total pooled storage, how much has been used, and how much remains. You'll also see a breakdown by product such as Drive, Gmail, and Photos, which helps you understand where your organization is consuming the most space. In many cases, you'll find insights like trends over time, which can be helpful for forecasting growth, and a list of top storage users or shared drives. Keep in mind that usage can include suspended users and shared drives, and recent deletions might take a little time to reflect as Google processes changes. If your remaining storage is getting low, use what you see here to guide your next steps. For example, you might encourage teams to clear large unneeded files, tidy up shared drives, or review old email attachments. If your organization is consistently close to its limit, this page provides the data you need to evaluate whether your current plan meets your needs. That's all there is to it. Open the admin console, click storage, and review your remaining space and usage details. Make it a habit to check this periodically so you can keep your organization running efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay on top of your Google Workspace storage with confidence.